Hello friends, myself Mrs. Naina Baste, working as Assistant Professor in SNJB's SSDJ College of Pharmacy, Sandward. In my last video, I have given demonstration of tablet compression machine. Today I am going to explain how actually compression it takes place. But before starting compression, I am again revise which are the different parts present in tablet compression machine. This tablet compression machine, it mainly consists of 5 parts: hopper, punches, die, then cam tracks, which mainly control the movement of upper punch and lower punch, and feed frame. These are the main 5 parts. This is the hopper. Material flow from hopper to the die table, and this die table it mainly consists of feed frame. Now this feed frame, it mainly consists of several compartments. So when the die table it is rotated, material flow from one chamber to another chambers, and due to that complete filling of tablet die cavity it takes place. After complete filling, again along with this die table feed frame, the tablet it mainly consists of tablet machine it mainly consists of upper turret and lower turret. Upper head of tablet compression machine, it consists of upper head. To this upper head, upper punch it is attached, whereas on a lower head there is lower turret it is present, and in this lower turret lower punch it is fitted, and in between this there is one die table, and this die table mainly consists of number of cavities, and here in this cavity the die it is set. All of you know that the function of die, it gives proper size and shape to the tablet. So this is the main assembly of tablet compression machine, that is upper punch, lower punch and die cavity. Along with this, the movement of this upper punch and lower punch, it is guided by cam tracks. Now there are several cam tracks that are present in this tablet compression machine. The first cam track, it is called as weight control. Punch it comes at this position, and these cam tracks it give the upper projection, or it pushes up the lower punch, so that whatever excess material present in die cavity it gets swipe off due to this swipe blade which is or projection which is present in a feed frame. Then when the lower punch it comes at this position, this is we called as pre-compression knob. Here slight compression force it is applied. Again see here one upper compression cam track and lower compression cam track it is present, and when the upper punch and lower punch it is exactly at this position, slight compression force it is applied and pre-compression it takes place. After pre-compression there is next phase, that is compression. We see how the compression it takes place. Now after pre-compression cam track, when the lower punch it is on the next lower punch or lower compression track, this is we called as lower compression cam track, and this is we called as upper compression cam track. And when this is here the actual compression of tablet it takes place, when the upper punch it is below upper compression cam track, and when the lower punch it is above lower compression cam track, there is the compression force it is applied, and due to that compression it takes place. After compression there is the ejection. See how the compression it takes place. Here the upper punch it is below the upper compression cam, and lower punch it is above the compression cam. Due to that the compression it takes place, and once the tablet it get compressed, here next compression it is also called as lower compression cam. This give the slight projection here, slight upper projection it is present to this cam track, and it pushes on upside the lower punch. Due to that the lower punch it get pushes on upper side, and due to that the tablet it get ejected from here. And once the tablet it is ejected, again the feed frame it having one swipe blade. Due to that the tablet it get passed in a receiving chain. After pre-compression, the compression it takes place here when the upper punch exactly below the upper compression cam track. This is the upper compression cam track and this is lower compression cam track, and at that time the compression it takes place when they are exactly over one another. And once the tablet it get compressed, see here pre-compression, compression, here the compression it takes place, and then the tablet it get ejected. So by using this demonstration, I hope all of you understand the compression very well. Thanks and goodbye.